World's most dangerous destinations unveiled. Imagine a world filled with beauty, mystery, and danger. In every corner of our planet, some places challenge the bravest hearts. First, there's Death Valley, USA. With scorching heat and desolate landscapes, it's a deadly marvel of nature's extremes. Then, we journey to the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. Its alien landscapes and toxic gases create an almost otherworldly peril. Sailing further, we find the Bermuda Triangle, infamous for vanishing vessels and planes. Its mysteries remain unsolved, captivating and cautioning us. Next, Mount Everest looms. Its majestic heights claim lives every year, demanding respect from all who dare its treacherous paths. Venturing into the Amazon rainforest, we encounter stunning biodiversity alongside deadly predators and unforgiving terrain. Lastly, Snake Island in Brazil is home to thousands of venomous snakes. A nightmare for many, it's a no-go for visitors. Each of these places, while dangerous, showcases the diverse and thrilling aspects of our planet, reminding us of nature's formidable power.